Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever feel like you're drowning in Nietzsche quotes, but when someone asks you to explain his thought process, you just shrug? That's the chaos we're tackling. We need more than just a pile of notes. We need a system. So what is this NietzscheLab OS thing? Think of it as your Nietzsche study command center, built for the real world. It's an offline-first, GitHub-ready prototype. What does that mean? It means you can work anywhere, anytime, and it's designed for open-source collaboration. The magic ingredient is the DIKWP mesh: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, intent. It's not just about collecting Nietzsche's words. It's about connecting them, tracing their lineage, managing the debates, and keeping your own goals and review notes all in one place. No more lost files or forgotten conversations. It turns a messy heap of materials into a clear, traceable evidence file. The goal isn't to replace your brain, but to make your thinking process visible, discussable, and accountable. Alright, let's talk superpowers. This system has three big ones. First, the evidence mesh. Imagine taking all those scattered documents, AI outputs, your personal goals, and suddenly seeing how they connect. It's like having X-ray vision for your research project, showing what's been recorded, what's inferred, what's uncertain, and crucially, what intent is driving the next step. Second, the AI audit trail. You use AI, great. But where did that suggestion come from? Did you tweak it, reject it? This system keeps track of all that, so the AI is an assistant, not a black box dictating terms. Every model suggestion is a traceable assistive input. Third, it's a collaboration hub. Students, teachers, researchers, everyone can jump in, add comments, assign tasks, and keep the conversation flowing around the same evolving evidence base. It transforms a one-off project into a reusable workspace for learning and governance. Okay, how do you actually use this thing? It's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Gather your materials. Source texts, your specific goals for studying Nietzsche, any constraints, task records, review requirements, dump it all in. Step 2. The system weaves these through the DIKWP mesh. Data becomes information, information becomes knowledge, and so on, linking everything. This generates an initial evidence file and highlights key questions for human review. Step 3. Now the human element kicks in. Generate plans, draft discussions, compare views. Reviewers examine the evidence, add their comments, correct assumptions, and crucially, record why they made each decision or revision. In continuous use, every input, update, feedback, and review becomes part of an expandable, traceable record. It's a practical way to make complex philosophical work more transparent and easier to improve over time. So why should you care? Because it brings clarity to the chaos. It ensures evidence, assumptions, plans, and accountability are front and center. It provides a reusable framework for governance and learning, moving beyond one-time projects. And it's future-proof, adapting as your understanding deepens and conditions change. It's about making the invisible thinking process visible, discussable, and ultimately more powerful. That's the essence of DIKWP NietzscheLab OS.